seemingly, they have to coordinate first bago siya magpalit ng statement niya. But what I appreciate there is what he said na nung tinanong siya na pinagbigyan mo ba, sabi niya hindi. In fact, he threw them to Mindanao.
So regardless, did you tell him not to implement the dismissal order?
No, of course not. No, again, yung sa amin is mahirap magdikta ng isang upper class. No, it's really up to him. I don't want to argue on that anymore. No, I think it's really very clear na nothing changed. Nothing changed in the decision. I think that is also being cleared by naklaro na rin yan ni General Lacadil way back nung siya pa ay regional director. Now, there are two questions here. Bakit natulog yung kanilang papel nung 2014 hanggang 2016? No? At ang reason ni Mayor Magalong is he was really too busy with other things that he could not remember the case that he is so aware of, no? And he is so concerned of. Hindi rin natin maintindihan. And then the question again na sinabi is from 2016 lumabas na.